Bitcoin Cash as well. Looks like, that's what we're saying for a while now on this live stream, that some coins actually went back to these literally very, very old support levels that we were taking a look at previously in early January. It looks like Bitcoin Cash was definitely one of them. Overall, we can see here, as soon as we're looking at the $364, and overall we found that support closer to the $477. So as soon as we had this breakout overall, you see it as well with Bitcoin. Same thing, we had this here happen, beginning of January. We had a bit of a triangle moving downwards here. We know where that base was here for Bitcoin Cash, 377. As soon as we break out of it, boom, we start moving upwards. Then continue to have some sort of peak, drop, peak, drop, and the last drop was definitely a heavy drop. So that's what we're having right now. Looks like we did visit those earlier levels. I don't see being that confident Bitcoin Cash the way the price action is moving, but we're definitely sandwiched between those. On the daily chart, we're sandwiched between the 636 on the 200 EMA and the $800 at the 100 EMA on the daily, and you'll see how we're perfectly reacting to those EMAs. So overall, right now we got rejected. As soon as we broke below, we went back to retest it, rejected again, and now we're sitting here. So if we go down maybe to lower levels, we'll see the price action even better. You'll see how this downtrend over here was playing out. Right now we're at some sort of a resistance, 100%. With other coins, it was looking something like this. It's pretty clear that's broke that first resistance, but right now Bitcoin Cash, this is the actual real resistance for this downtrend. As soon as we start breaking above it, it's 100% going to be the area where I'm looking for those higher levels again. And those higher levels again, you can see them as well on the VPVR. For those who don't know what the VPVR is, that's the volume profile plotted across those different price ranges, as opposed to the volume here compared to where that one candle is, that one time frame, what session. And yeah, overall, we can see here where those major levels are for Bitcoin Cash. You can see here exactly from before as well, the 764 that's sitting right above us, we're getting rejected of. Somewhere close to the 944 as well is where we're going to have that major resistance. But for the most part, I think the $1,000 is where Bitcoin Cash will 100% find a lot of resistance. So this is what we need. We need to break out of this resistance line over here. And yeah, the 4 hours showing a bit of more visibility, and the daily candle, the next support would be somewhere close to 645. So as soon as we start seeing Bitcoin Cash step above this 100 EMA, then I think we're going to continue back to those higher levels. But for the time being, it's obviously following Bitcoin again. And it does, I think, in my opinion, those look weaker than these other altcoins for sure in terms of that breakout.